In this video, I'm going to show you how to make group chat on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app, then right here hit a chat's icon to show up all your conversations, and now here all you have to do is right here hit at that blue icon. There you can easily find new group feature, just tap on that. Right here, first you have to set a name for your group. I'll just type in new group. And then you can go through all of your friends list, and then you can just check mark your friends to add them to your group. After you did that, just hit right here at chat with group. Now it says that that user hasn't added you as a friend, so you can't add a group with that member. So I can hit at OK, uncheck mark that person, and then hit at chat with group again. That's it. I have just created group conversation on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.